Mercury. Mercury is the innermost planet. At night, the crust drops to 180 degrees Celsius. By day, it shoots to 430 degrees Celsius. Heat swings because the planet owns only a ghost-thin exosphere. A single Mercury day lasts 176 Earth days. One Mercury year is 88 Earth days. Gravity feels light, 38% of Earth's pull. The surface is a quilt of craters, scarps, and shattered rock. Low air means almost zero drag. Landings come in fast. 7 times more sunlight strikes you than on Earth. Micrometeorites sweep past unslowed and sandblast the ground. Safer ground hides along the dim Terminator, but even there, temperatures roll fast.
Mayday! Mayday! Houston, do you copy? It's too hot. My suit is burning. Houston, help me. I can't move.
Venus. Venus orbits 40 million kilometers from Earth. The trip takes only a few months and gravity feels familiar. Trouble starts with the yellow clouds you see on approach. They are droplets of pure sulfuric acid. Beneath them, the air turns to near-solid carbon dioxide. Surface heat peaks at 450 degrees Celsius. Only 10% of sunlight punches through, leaving a copper twilight. Gravity matches Earth, yet motion feels slow. Air is heavy as syrup. Surface pressure climbs to 92 bar. Wind speeds stay low, but the dense gas hits like water. One Venus day equals 243 Earth days and runs longer than a Venus year. Volcanoes still smolder under the haze. If pressure spares you, the acid fog finishes the job.
The sky, it's filled with sulfuric acid. Zero visibility. My gloves are melting. I can't hold on anymore.
Mars looks welcoming beside its burning hot neighbors, but don't let that fool you. By day, temperatures can reach a surprisingly mild 20 degrees. You might almost think you could take off your helmet and breathe. But once the sun dips, clear Martian nights plunge to a deadly 130 degrees C. There's no warmth to save you. The air, almost non-existent. 95% carbon dioxide with just a whisper of oxygen. You'd suffocate in seconds without your suit. And that suit better be sealed tight because the surface pressure is barely 6 millibars, so low your blood would boil if you lost pressure. Mars's gravity is about 38% of Earth's. Jumps feel light and easy. But that freedom comes at a cost. Lower gravity means weaker protection from space radiation. And here, radiation runs 40 times what you'd soak up back home. Every step you take under Mars's thin sky, you're slowly absorbing doses that could kill you in the long run. If the cold and radiation don't get you, the planet-wide storms might. Mars is famous for its massive dust storms. Winds whip sand at 100 kilometers per hour, blocking the sun for weeks, sometimes swallowing the whole planet in a rusty haze. Look up at night and you'll see 2 tiny moons, Phobos and Deimos, racing overhead again and again. They're reminders that you're not safe here, that you're a guest on a hostile rock. Anyone dreaming of staying here for good will need sealed, shielded, pressurized habitats, a fragile bubble of Earth clinging to life on a frozen desert. On Mars, survival isn't just about oxygen or warmth, it's about outlasting a world that wants you gone.
So this is the red planet, huh? Mars or bust? Well, bust it is.